Are you concerned about the buffering on your Fire Stick? Well, there's a way to check to see if your download speed is appropriate. First thing I want you to do is in the top left, move up to the search icon and start to type in A, and we're looking for Analyta Speed Test Wi-Fi Analyzer. Ignore the first 4 letters of that word. So click on it, and it's the pink one here. So let's select that option. It's going to start to download or open or queue or all these sorts of things depending on if you have it or not. Anyway, you can click on it, and it will start to download and install itself. And you can press open, and immediately it's going to open up and start to test your download speed. So mine's kind of bouncing around a little bit. It'll get into the 80s here, which is pretty good. And I'm pretty happy with that. It shows everything's working. And it also shows my upload speed, which is going to be almost nothing. But frankly, I don't really care about that because I'm not uploading. So there is a good quick way to test your buffering capabilities.